Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about how to create this cone shape right here using the Lofted Boss / base. Let's get started. First off, create a new file, press Ctrl key plus N on the keyboard, select part and create, press OK. Select all the three planes and show. Next, select top plane under the feature, select reference geometry and click plane. Now create two planes that is 50 millimeters away from each other. After that, press OK. Now on the top plane here, create a new sketch. Draw a circle from the center point and give it a dimensions of 100 millimeters. After that, press this exit sketch button. Make sure that the circle is drawn on the top plane. Now select the plane 1, normal 2, and create a new sketch. This time select polygon. Make sure that the polygon is drawn from the center as well. Now give this polygon a dimensions of 50 millimeters from this end to this end. After that, exit the sketch. Lastly, on the plane 2, normal to the plane 2 and create another new sketch. This time select the point options right here. Plot a point in the middle of everything. After that, we are done here. Exit the sketch. Make sure that the point is on the plane 2 and this polygon is on the plane 1 and then the circle is on the top plane. After that, go to features, select Lofted Boss / base. Make sure that this is cleared in the first or initial state. Select the circle followed by the polygon and then the point. After that, click OK. And there you go. We have formed this cone shape right here. That is all on how to use Lofted Boss / base. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.